Nike ACG is pushing boundaries once again, this time with the bold hyper-pink edition of the Phassad. Breaking away from the usual earthy gorpcore tones, the sneaker showcases striking pink overlays contrasted with jet black details and a rugged sole for both durability and standout appeal. Instead of subtle function-first vibes, this model emphasizes eye-catching style, merging outdoor readiness with streetwear flair. Priced at $145, it's scheduled to release in holiday 2025, alongside other ACG highlights like the Goadome and Izy retros and the launch of the ACG Running Department. By infusing adventurous color with tested utility, the Phassad Hyperpink reflects ACG's evolving vision to balance performance and fashion-forward design. Whether hitting trails or making a statement on city streets, this daring release proves ACG's commitment to refreshing classics with fearless creativity.